From cold-blooded comebacks to razor-sharp one-liners, Vincenzo gave us more than drama. It gave us English phrases that pack a punch. In this video, I'm breaking down 50 killer English phrases and quotes straight from the world of Vincenzo Cassano. Use them to sound smart, fearless, and just a little dramatic, like a true consigliere. So, buckle up, because these expressions, they don't just speak, they outsmart the room. So ready to make your English sharper, bolder, and 100% unforgettable. So let's dive in. A tad bit smarter. A tad bit smarter means just a little smarter. For e.g. you say, you don't have to be a genius, just be a tad bit smarter than yesterday. Or, if only you were a tad bit smarter. Scouring my brain for ways means to search intensely in your mind for ideas or solutions. Think of it as thinking really hard, or mentally digging deep. For example, I was scouring my brain for ways to make the presentation more engaging. She kept scouring her brain for the right words to say during the interview. Work your magic. It means to use your special skill or talent to fix a problem, improve something, or impress others, often in a way that seems almost effortless or magical. For example, this project is a mess, but I know you'll work your magic and make it amazing. The chef worked his magic and turned simple ingredients into a delicious meal. Number 4. Drop the act means to stop pretending or stop faking emotions or behavior, usually used when someone is not being genuine or is putting on a show. For example, come on, drop the act. I know you're not really upset. She finally dropped the act and admitted she needed help. Number 5. Bust me out means to help someone escape from a place, situation, or restriction, often used jokingly, not always literally. It can also mean to bring someone out of a dull or tough moment. For example, hey, this party's boring, bust me out of here. She busted me out of my bad mood with her jokes. Number 6. Cutting a deal with you means to negotiate or finalize an agreement with someone, often involving some compromise or mutual benefit. For example, I'm open to cutting a deal with you if we can both win. He's known for cutting quick deals in high-pressure meetings. Number 7. Pulling my leg means to joke with someone or tease them by saying something untrue in a light-hearted way, not to deceive, but to amuse. For example, are you serious? Or are you just pulling my leg? She told me I won the lottery, but she was only pulling my leg. Number 8. You have got that kind of pull means it means you have influence, connections, or power to make things happen, especially in social or professional settings. For example, wow, you got us front row seats. You've really got that kind of pull. He landed the job in 2 days. I guess he's got some serious pull in the industry. Next, come on, spill it out. Or, just spill it means to reveal a secret, tell the truth, or say what you're hiding, especially when someone's hesitating or being dramatic. For example, you've been acting weird since morning, spill it out already. I know you know the surprise. Come on, spill it out. Next, you can pull this off means to succeed in doing something difficult or to carry something well, like a look, outfit, or task. It's often used to show confidence in someone's ability, whether it's about style, performance, or problem solving. For example, I didn't think anyone could wear neon green shoes, but you totally pulled it off. This project is tough, but I believe you can pull it off. Next, put all of this behind us means to let go of past conflicts, mistakes, or problems and focus on the future, to forgive, move on, or start fresh. Emotional maturity and a desire to rebuild trust or peace. For example, we've argued enough. I think it's time we put all of this behind us. Let's put all of this behind us and work together like before. Next, heart to heart means a deep and honest conversation, especially about emotions, personal struggles, or important topics. Often used when two people open up to each other in a sincere way. Not small talk, but real connection. For example, after months of tension, they finally had a heart-to-heart and cleared the air. Sometimes, what you need most is a quiet heart-to-heart with a true friend. Next, shake a leg means hurry up, move quickly, especially when someone is being slow. For example, shake a leg or we'll miss the movie. Come on, kids, shake a leg. The school bus is here. Next, just in time means at the last possible moment, without being late. She reached the station just in time to catch the train. He submitted the project just in time before the deadline. Next, on the move means busy, active, or in the process of going from one place to another. She's always on the move, attending meetings all day. With my new job, I've been constantly on the move. Next, tell on you means to report someone's wrongdoing to an authority figure or someone in charge. If you cheat during the test, I'll tell on you. My little brother told on me for sneaking cookies before dinner. Next, it came through means something was successfully received, completed, or delivered, often after some waiting or uncertainty. The payment finally came through after 2 days. Her application came through just in time for the deadline. Next, not time yet means the appropriate or scheduled moment hasn't arrived. You should wait. Don't rush to leave. It's not time yet. Hold off on cutting the cake. It's not time yet. Next, heck of a party means an extremely fun, memorable, or wild party, used informally to show strong feeling or emphasis. That was a heck of a party last night. We danced till 2 a.m. They threw a heck of a party for their anniversary. Next, hang on means to wait for a short time. To hold something tightly. Hang on, I'll be ready in just a minute. Hang on tight, the ride's about to start. Next, prepped for means fully prepared or ready for something. She was all prepped for her big presentation. Are you prepped for the interview tomorrow? Next, enough on my plate means already having too many tasks or responsibilities to handle anything more. I'd love to help, but I've got enough on my plate right now. Don't give him more work. He already has enough on his plate. Next, do not blow this for us means don't ruin or mess up this opportunity or situation for the group. This is our last chance to win. Please don't blow this for us. We've worked too hard on this project, so don't blow this for us during the final pitch. Next, it's like a roller coaster means this phrase describes something that's full of ups and downs, often emotionally intense or unpredictable, just like a real roller coaster ride. Our journey as a startup was like a roller coaster, thrilling, terrifying, and unforgettable. Emotions were all over the place that day. It was like a roller coaster from start to finish. Next, we were two vacuums means a figurative expression, usually implying that two people were both empty, needy, or emotionally drained, expecting the other to fill them up. When both are in that state, the relationship struggles, because neither has enough to give. We were two vacuums, pulling at each other but never feeling whole. It didn't work out. We were both looking to be rescued, like two vacuums needing to be filled. Next, drop it means stop talking about it or let go of the issue. I know you're upset about what happened, but you really need to drop it now. He kept bringing up the past until I told him to just drop it. Next, it was a bust means it was a failure or didn't go as planned. Our camping trip was a bust because of the non-stop rain. The party was a bust. Barely anyone showed up. Next, this is just the tip of the iceberg means what you're seeing or experiencing is only a small part of a much larger or more complex issue. The corruption scandal involving a few officials is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole network behind it. If you're shocked by today's news, remember it's just the tip of the iceberg. More is bound to come out soon. Next, she got a knack means she has a natural talent or ability for something. She's got a knack for solving puzzles in no time. That girl has a knack for making people feel comfortable. Next, treat as equals means to consider and behave towards everyone fairly and without discrimination. As a leader, you must treat all your team members as equals. I admire how she treats even the interns as equals. Next, rub our faces in it means to keep reminding someone of their failure or mistake to humiliate them. You don't need to rub our faces in it just because you won. He rubbed their faces in it by bragging about his promotion. Next, you're crossing a line means you're going beyond acceptable behavior or boundaries. Telling lies about her family. You're really crossing a line. I let you speak your mind, but now you're crossing a line. Next, see you around means a casual way to say goodbye, often implying you'll meet again. I'm heading out now. See you around. Nice chatting with you. See you around sometime. Next, this coffee is a shot of energy means the coffee is very energizing or refreshing. After a long night, this coffee is a shot of energy I needed. That espresso was like a shot of energy. I'm wide awake now. Next, I am big on giving means I strongly believe in or enjoy giving to others. I'm big on giving back to the community through volunteering. She's big on giving thoughtful gifts during the holidays. Next, fake it till you make it means act confidently or behave as if you're successful until you actually become successful. I wasn't confident at first, but I decided to fake it till I make it. New job, just fake it till you make it. They'll never know. Next, I am playing by the book means I am following the rules strictly and doing everything properly. You may think I'm slow, but I'm playing by the book. The auditor said we must play by the book to avoid penalties. Next, not sloppy at all means very neat, careful, or well done, not careless or messy. Her handwriting is not sloppy at all. It's perfect. His work was impressive, not sloppy at all. Compound your mistakes means make a situation worse by adding more errors to the original mistake. Don't lie now. You'll only compound your mistakes. Missing the meeting was bad enough, but ignoring the emails compounded your mistakes. Smoke him out means force someone to come out of hiding or reveal the truth. For example, the press tried to smoke him out with tough questions. We set a trap to smoke the thief out. Let's move on this tonight means let's take action or proceed with it tonight. For example, we have enough evidence. Let's move on this tonight. If we don't move on this tonight, we might lose our chance. You keep an eye out means stay alert or watch carefully for something or someone. You keep an eye out for the courier while I grab lunch. Keep an eye out for any suspicious activity in the area. You are the Achilles heel of my operation means you are the weak spot or vulnerability in my otherwise strong setup. You're smart, but your carelessness is the Achilles heel of my operation. Everything is perfect except for you. You're the Achilles heel of the team. All this hard work fogs up my glasses means a humorous way of saying hard work is overwhelming or physically exhausting. I've been running around all day. This hard work fogs up my glasses. Phew, all this hard work is fogging up my glasses. I need a break. Keep your distance means stay away, either physically or emotionally. The guard warned us to keep our distance from the wild animal. I prefer to keep my distance from people who always complain. You would jump out your own shadow right now means you're so scared or jumpy that even the smallest thing could startle you. Relax, you're so nervous you'd jump out your own shadow right now. After watching that horror movie, he'd jump out of his own shadow. Dig up the dirt right now means to find and reveal hidden or scandalous information, especially about someone. Reporters tried to dig up the dirt on the celebrity's past. She's always trying to dig up dirt about her co-workers. Shake it up a little means change things or try something new to make life or work more exciting. Let's shake it up a little and try a new restaurant tonight. The company hired a new manager to shake things up a little. I will be there in a heartbeat means I'll be there very quickly or without hesitation. If you need help, I'll be there in a heartbeat. She said she'd join the road trip in a heartbeat. Who is yapping at their heels means who is bothering or chasing after them persistently, often annoyingly. The new intern keeps yapping at their heels, trying to impress. We need to stay ahead. Competitors are already yapping at our heels. I can smell it a mile away means I can sense something very easily, even before it's obvious. That fake smile, I can smell the lie a mile away. Trouble's coming. I can smell it a mile away. If these 50 phrases made you feel like the main character, just wait till you see what part 2 has in store. More iconic lines, more English you can actually use, and a whole lot more attitude. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a drop of this boss level content. See you in part 2, boss.